So Dark Matter, you know, was supposed to be here, and he's not here.
I did try.
But he's here in spirit, and I made that happen in a special way. So we have the Dark Matter Traveling Gnome, and he's been having a series of adventures. So I brought him here to YouTubery so he could be here. So let me get him out here.
Oh yeah, I'm Grant. How y'all doing?
Wait.
Stolen back.
Oh, he's in here someplace. Wait.
Holy shit.
Oh no, she's digging in her bra.
There he is.
Oh, everybody.
Who's gonna pass out first?
I don't know. Everybody.
I'm your buddy. I'm your friend, and I'm out.
The Dark Matter.
Wow.
He's like, man, look. He's like, what?
I heard people calling. Was it Dark Matter?
Yeah, they're doing the Dark Matter
Was they
thing.
doing Dark Matter thing? I heard that.
We were, because
Dark!
Oh,
Gucci,
my.
Gucci, Gucci. This is just going to be a shit show. For the rest of
This will probably get very
hell.
interesting, guys. Please share this out. That way everybody can.
She's hot, sexy, but scary.
All right, Mom done
I
dropped.
like that combo. It works
Like
for me.
me, taste that. Oh.
Heck yeah.
Okay, so before I get going here, one of the reasons I actually wanted to do some Dutch oven cooking was I wanted to try out some new wooden utensils that a friend of mine carved for me. Dark Matter sent this to me, and I've waited to open it until I came up here to use them. So we're going to open it up, and if you watched his channel, then you saw him making these. And he did just an awesome job. This is the spoon. Here's the first one he did. And this one he wasn't happy with, so he did this one. And let's see here. And here's the spatula spoon I asked for. And he went above and beyond. He made me a fork and a tasting spoon. And he had the holes drilled in the top here so I can hang all these up. And God love him, he actually put on these Helgas, Pennsylvania, cooking. Carved it right into the handles. That is so awesome. And he even included the gosh, he even included the cord to hang up all the rest of them. Look at that. God, that's awesome. So, Dark Matter, thank you so much, and I'm going to put these to use tonight.
Dark Matter just fell off my lap.
Hello, Helga. What are you cooking?
That should be Helgalicious. That should be
Helgalicious. What are you cooking?
The Dark Matter Roaming Gnome has appeared. Dark Matter, the Dark Matter Roaming Gnome is traveling around. I brought him with me up here while I was camping, and I thought he'd enjoy meeting my friend. After all, he is master of the dark side. So I thought he'd enjoy coming along to the cemetery. He got to meet her, and he gets to meet a few other friends. It's peaceful here, Dark. You'd love it. I told Dark it's too cold to go swimming, so he's just going to have to stand here and take a look. When he gets dunked, he's going to be cold. Here comes Dark Matter. Oh no! He's shooting the falls. Oh, he's lucky. Got hung up on a rock. Have to go rescue poor Dark Matter. There he is. A little wet, but okay otherwise. The pond. This is the more wild end, where all the critters that you don't really like live. Perfect for Dark Matter. Perfect. Now he says he doesn't like snakes. Well, I'm afraid there's a few of those around.
Off my backhoe, you imp!
Oh no. Oh my god. You killed Dark Matter. I wonder if that's like first degree murder or gnome slaughter.